Good day. My name is Joshua Prince Chinonso from the University of Port Harcourt, and I'll be making a presentation on water energy to control on climate change. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in climate of a particular place over a specified period of time. We all know that globally, climate change has been affecting areas and causing diverse issues such as flooding, hurricanes, lightning storms, and the rest. Climate change threatens the existence of our species on the Earth. Since the 20th century, we have produced 50% more carbon emissions as compared to that time. This is because our technological advancement has been heavily dependent on the use of fossil fuels. Climate change is a top-tier global crisis concern amongst the top levels of government agencies, scientific communities, and the engineering community at large. It is safe to say that all of these governmental agencies, scientific communities, and engineering bodies are all clamoring for the use of renewable energy sources to counter the effect of climate change and to reduce our carbon footprints on the planet, preserving our existence as a species. The problem is that fossil fuels make use of hydrocarbons for combustion to produce energy. These fossil fuels are gotten from the fractional distillation of crude oil. Our advancement as a species has been heavily dependent on the use of crude oil. Such places such as Africa and Nigeria here makes use of crude oil for our day-to-day activities. The petrol gotten from the fractional distillation of crude oil helps run our cars, homes, and generators. These fossil fuels combine with oxygen to combust and they produce energy. But the byproducts are harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and other greenhouse gases which are harmful to the ozone layer and are a major contributor to climate change. The water energy solution. Now, what is it? An alternative to the use of fossil fuels is the use of renewable energy resources. Now, renewable energy sources such as hydroelectricity, solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal energy are all in existence and they also help mitigate the effect of climate change. However, the amount of energy produced is not efficient and cannot be compared to the amount of energy produced from the combustion of these fossil fuels. Our water energy project revolutionizes this idea and we have seen a solution in the use of the hydrolysis of water. Our water energy project makes use of water as a fuel source to produce hydrogen gas for combustion in vehicles. In comparison to the product of fossil fuels, the water energy engine produces water gas which is not harmful to the environment. Now, how does this work? Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. And when we subject this to hydrolysis, hydrolysis is the electrolysis of water. This means that we are going to be passing a current, a voltage, through electrodes inside the water to separate the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen pairs. The hydrogen pairs, which is the H2, becomes hydrogen gas. And once that hydrogen gas gets into our car engines, they are able to use it same way our fossil fuels use this our engines use the fossil fuels to produce energy. The fossil fuels also contain hydrogen, but hydrogen and carbon, and our hydrogen gas just is just bringing in pure hydrogen to the system. And this pure hydrogen is able to combust just like the natural fossil fuels and produce clean energy. This clean energy, as compared to the combustible fuels, has no emissions. This means that the harmful gases that comes from the burning of fossil fuels such as methane and petrol, diesel, carbon monoxide. These harmful gases are not used in this our water engine generator because this our water engine generator once it combusts into inside the engine it produces water gas because hydrogen